Hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video we will learn about array function. The following table of list array functions supported by PHP. So let's get started. First one is array render function. This function is used to fetch a random number of elements from an array. So let's create a script array render function for a numerical array. So array is a keyword to declare the numerical array. So I am using the Harry and Potter as the value reference to the element stored in a numerical array. Printr is built-in function to print all the elements of an array. Now I am using printr to display the random single key. So in array render function passing the two parameters, the first one is array name and second one is number parameter. Number parameter specifies the number of a key to return from a given array. Its default value is a 1. So let's display the random single value. So next is create a script array render function for a associate array. The next function is array chunk. Array chunk is used to split a given array into multiple parts. So let's create a syntax of array chunk function. So 2 is the number of elements in each array is specified by using the size of a parameter. The split is given array name into the two parts. So let's create a script for an associate array. So next function name is array combine. Array combine is used to combine array 1 that's contain the key with array 2 that's contain the value, and it's return the associate array. So next function name is list. The list is used to assign the value of the array to given list of a variable. So variable name such as a value 1 or value 2. It's only work with a numerical array. So the next function name is array merge. The array merge is used to merge one or more array into single array. So if the key are the common in both array, then the value of last array is taken against the key. So next example with the associate array. So next function name is array pop. The array pop accepts the reference to the array name and return the delete the last element from the array name. The functions return null if the specified parameter is not an array or the array is empty. So next function is array push. The array push is accept the reference to the array name and add the element to the end of a specified array name. It returns the number of elements in the array name. So next function is sort. The sort is accept the reference to the array name and sort the array value in the ascending order. And it assign a new key for elements. And the rsort is used to sort the array value in a descending order, and it assign the new value for the element, same as the sort. So next function is asort. Sort the array value in a ascending order. And the next function is arsort. Sort the array value in a descending order.